I'm very happy to know that School of Business is organizing the farewell function of the batch which is passing out, and I wish everybody all the very best. At School of Business, Modi University, I think we have prepared you guys very well. I must say extremely well, to make a difference in the world, whether it's in the corporate world, in your family life, if you want to go for higher studies, research. I think we as the teachers, we are very confident the way that we have developed you. So do not give up. I think for us, you guys are our hope. We want to see you successful. Okay. So we do not want you to see that you fail. So be happy in life, be successful, and in case you need any help and support, always feel free to come back. We are there for you guys. Wish you all the very best.
Happy that our students are passing out on completion of their 3 years and 2 years program, that is UG and MBA. I wish them all the best. Again, we hope that the women representation in the workforce of India, which is currently 26%, they will make it to 33%, which is the requirement of the day. All the companies in India and abroad, the women have more job opportunities than the men as per the current study. Our students, our alumni are working at good places, and our passing out batch is also equally potential and intelligent. Hope they will contribute to the family, society and nation as a whole. Wishing you all the best. Thank you very much. Good luck.
I hope you continue your dreams and never give up. Always believe in yourself and your capabilities. Good luck for your future embarkments. Thank you.
Hello all dear students. Wish you all the very best as you are embarking on a new journey, and remember that you have that power to make the difference in the society, because being a woman, I think you can do wonders and create something new and bring something exciting in the world. So all the best and keep loving all of us.
Well, I am Ashish, नाम तो सुना ही होगा, and this is a message for you all students, and I have taught you for 3 years, and पढ़ाते पढ़ाते देखो चश्मा लग गया. My message for you is be happy always and work for the country, make the country proud. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the pass out batches, BBA, BCom Honors, B Honors Economics and MBA. I know most of you because I taught you in your classes, and I know you people are very well and brilliant students, and we will miss you such students, and we want such students in our classes always. God bless you for your future. Keep in touch. Thank you.
Hi students, while bidding farewell, my parting message for all of you would be that I would like you to focus on 4 important investments in life. The 4th most important investment should be your financial investment. Make sure that you are financially free as soon as possible, so that you are not required to work for money anymore. Instead, the money should be working for you, and you should be working for something you love the most, your passion. The 3rd most important investment should be in your self-learning and development. Just because you are passing out from here should not mean that you stop learning. Read as much as possible. Trust me, after some time, you'll start enjoying it, the reading. The 2nd most important investment should be in health. And the top most important investment should be in building quality relationships with your near and dear ones, your family members. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Hello my dear students. I wish you a very best of luck to embark the journey called life. All of you are passing out in this batch, and there are so many heartfelt memories with you all, whether it's related to education, or a fun-filled time. I have a little message to you all that life is a journey. Enjoy it, work very hard, and be passionate at what you do. All the best. Take care. Thank you.
Namaskar to all my departing lovely students. A bright future and a beautiful landscape is waiting for you. Wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Take care.
Hello everyone, my best wishes to all the final year students in basic year and BCom third year. My best wishes to you all. Have a great future ahead and you all belongs to my heart. I will miss you forever.
Hello dear student, it is always tough to say goodbye, but goodbyes also mean new hellos. It is my hope that you remember this is not goodbye forever, and for all the new hellos, may they help you reach your potential with joy and positivity. Keep in touch.
Hello to all the passing out students. Well, this is the time when we go through a lot of mixed feelings for you all, and we walk down the memory lane. We remember how you've spent time over here, all the love and affection you have given to all of us, and you've shared the bonds with your friends. All this will not come back, but yes, you will always be remembered here, and SOB will always remember you. We will all miss you. May you always smile, look back your time with smile, and you move forward with a lot of courage. All the best for your future.
Hello, as you embark on the new chapter of your life, your journey should be filled with might be filled with the triumphs, with the challenges and growth you have faced here. So carry with you the memories and the lessons you have learned. I bid a heartfelt farewell to all of the students of final year, and may you get the successful life and successful future. I'm just a call away if you need any kind of guidance. Thank you.
Good evening to all my lovely students. Many congratulations to each one of you. As you people embark towards the new chapter of your life, don't forget to cherish each moment. Believe in yourself, pursue your passion with lots and lots of best wishes towards the new future that is filled with love, joy, happiness and success. Thank you.
Hello dear final year. The best wishes from my side for your bright and future, and best of luck from my side once again, and thank you and bye. Goodbye.
Wish you all the best for your future. We'll miss you.
यूजी के स्टूडेंट्स को मेरा गुड बाय कहने का नहीं है. यूजी के स्टूडेंट यहाँ एमबीए में एडमिशन लें और पीजी के स्टूडेंट यहाँ पीएचडी में एडमिशन लें. गुड बाय कहना है, अगर आप दूसरी जगह जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे भी अच्छी चीज़ें सीखें और बेस्ट ऑफ लक, बेस्ट ऑफ जर्नी. लेकिन हमारा यही कहना है, हम आपको गुड बाय नहीं कह सकते.
विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड आशा करते हैं आपका फ्यूचर यहाँ के वाईफाई से बेटर होगा. थैंक यू.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन सभी एसओबी स्टूडेंट को, और हमें अच्छा लगा आप हमारे परिवार बने एसओबी स्टूडेंट. एसओबी
सबको बधाई हो. चल धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
We will miss you. We will miss you. We will miss